Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Microsoft Excel to learn how to square numbers using 3 easy methods. Whether you're a student, an analyst, or just someone who loves working with spreadsheets, mastering these techniques will enhance your productivity. First, let's quickly understand what it means to square a number. Squaring a number simply means multiplying it by itself. For example, the square of 9 is 9 times 9, which equals 81. Now, let's see how we can easily perform this operation in Excel. The first method is straightforward, using the multiplication operator. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Select the cell where you want to display the squared result. Let's say cell B1. Step 2. Enter the formula A1 multiplied by A1 in the formula bar. This multiplies the value in cell A1 by itself. Make sure the formula begins with an equal sign and the multiplication operator is the asterisk symbol. So the completed formula should be typed like this. Step 3. Press Enter and Excel will display the squared result in the selected cell. Step 4. To apply this formula to other cells, drag the fill handle down the column. And this is how you may square numbers in Microsoft Excel using the multiplication operator. The second method uses the power function, which is perfect for more complex calculations. Without any further ado, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Choose the cell where you want the result to appear. According to our example data, I will select B1. Step 2. Enter the power formula by typing the equal sign first, followed by the word power, then open parenthesis, then type A1, comma, followed by 2, then close the parenthesis. The final formula should look like this, telling Excel to raise the value in A1 to the power of 2. Step 3. Press Enter to get the squared result in the chosen cell. Step 4. Drag the fill handle to apply the formula to other cells in the column. And just like that, you've successfully squared your numbers using the power function. Now, the third and final method involves the square root function, which finds the square root of a number. This method is a bit different in such a way that, instead of squaring a number, it will find the square root of that number using the square root function. This is useful if you need to find the number that, when multiplied by itself, gives you the original number. Without any further ado, let's take a look at the steps. Step 1. First, choose an empty cell, like B1. Step 2. Enter the square root function and use A1 as the function argument. And to do so, simply start by typing the equal sign, followed by SQRT, then open parenthesis, type A1 and close the parenthesis. So the final formula should look like this. This calculates the square root of the value in A1. Step 3. Press Enter to see the result. Step 4. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other cells, and there you have it. 3 solid methods with step-by-step guide on squaring numbers in Microsoft Excel. Each method has its unique advantages, so choose the one that fits your workflow best. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.